Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Burg Eltz. Hola, hey amigos, may adlaw. We are going on a hike today. So I'm currently in a town called Moselkern, and we are headed to one of the most beautiful, if not arguably the most beautiful castle here in Germany called Burg Eltz, or Eltz Castle. So it's 4.4 kilometers away from the town itself. So it will probably take me an hour to get there. So, halingid. Laag na punta. After passing through the town, Google Maps is going to present you two options on how to get there. One is could be that way, over there, the paved street, or this one, the rough pathway, the dirt road. And of course, at first, I wasn't really sure on which path I will follow. I was thinking of doing that route. However, I spoke with some two hikers and they told me this path right here is more beautiful. So of course, I chose this one. Okay, so now I'm currently lost. There's no cell phone signal and there's a blockade over there. Yep, that one. So I think I'm just gonna head back and do the other trail, because I can just cross the bridge over there. It's just very near anyway. I just have to cross that street. Back to normal programming. I'm headed this way. And there's a restaurant on the way to Burg Eltz. Just take a moment to appreciate the view. It's very relaxing here. And so it starts again. Hello. So we are halfway there, and I know I'm not lost because there are a lot of hikers headed towards the opposite direction. They're about to go home. Hello. This looks promising. I think we're very near now. Okay, that way. That dog, it's so cute. Oh my god, we're very near. I actually zoned out and I was just walking and was lost in my thoughts. Then I saw this structure and I'm so happy. I'm already here. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Burg Eltz. So there's quite a lot of people as of the moment, and I don't really want to go inside. I just want to chill here. Yeah, so I'm in Port now. I did not go back to Moselkern. I decided to just ride the shuttle and the bus to Port. I'm gonna take the train from here because I was so tired already. But anyway, I enjoyed the hike today. It was tiring, but it was so worth it. So, hanggang sa sunod. I think my train's here. Ciao!